Hi students, welcome to mathematics class in 4th grade. Class is taken by Shilna George. Name of our second chapter is Numbers and Number Names. In previous section, we completed our 4th exercise. Now we are going to the 5th exercise. This exercise has 9 questions. Before starting the exercise, you have to carry a copy and a pen with you. Our first question is, write the following in the expanded form. Some numbers are given. Our question is, write the expanded form of the numbers. Do you know what is expanded form? In 3rd class, we have already learned the method of writing 4-digit numbers in expanded form. Here we shall learn how to write 5-digit or 6-digit numbers in expanded form. One example is given for you. Our question is, write 2,35,619 in expanded form. Our number is 2,35,619. This number has 2 lakhs, 3 ten thousands, 5 thousands, 6 hundreds, 1 tens and 9 ones. So the expanded form of 2,35,619 is 2,35,619 equal to 2 lakh plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 9. This is our expanded form. Do you understand? Our first question is, write the expanded form of 5,398. Our number is 5,398. This number has 5 thousands, 3 hundreds, 9 tens and 8 ones. So the expanded form of 5,398 is 5,398 equal to 5,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 8. Our second sub-question is, write the expanded form of 47,508. 47,508 has 4 ten thousands, 7 thousands, 5 hundreds, 0 tens and 8 ones. So the expanded form of 47,508 is 47,508 equal to 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 8. Okay. Our next sub-question is, write the expanded form of 1,99,990. 1 lakh 99,990 has 1 lakhs, 9 ten thousands, 9 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens and 0 ones. So the expanded form of 1,99,990 is 1,99,990 equal to 1 lakh plus 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 0. Our next sub-question is write the expanded form of 53,083. 53,083 has 5 ten thousands, 3 thousands, 0 hundreds, 8 tens and 3 ones. So the expanded form of 53,083 is 53,083 equal to 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 3. 2 question is remaining. Do that as homework. Now we are going to the next question. Our second question is write the following in the short form. Some numbers are given. Our question is write the numbers in short form. Do you know what is short form? In 3rd class, we have already learned the method of writing 4-digit numbers in short form. Here we shall learn how to write 5-digit or 6-digit numbers in short form. One example is given for you. Our question is write 4 lakh plus 5,000 plus 30 plus 2 in short form. This is our question. 4 lakhs plus 5,000 plus 30 plus 2 equal to 4 lakhs plus 5,000 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. In this question, no number is given in 10,000's place. So, write 0 in 10,000's place. And also in 100's place, no number is given. So, write there also 0. So, the short form of 4 lakh plus 5,000 plus 30 plus 2 is 4 lakh 5,032. Okay. Our second question is write the short form of 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 1. So 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 1 can be written as 5 10,000s plus 6,000s plus 700s plus 8 tens plus 1 1. In this question, all places are filled. So the short form of 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 1 is 56,781. Okay. Our second sub-question is write the short form of 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 80 plus 5. So 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 80 plus 5 can be written as 7 10,000s plus 8,000s plus 8 tens plus 5 ones. In this question, no number is given in hundreds place. So write 0 in hundreds place. So the short form of 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 80 plus 5 equal to 78,085. Okay. The next sub-question is 9 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 5. So 9 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 5 can be written as 9 lakhs plus 4 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 5 ones. In this question, no number is given in tens place. So write 0 in tens place. So the short form of 9 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 5 is equal to 9 lakh 47,605. Our next sub-question is 10,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. So 10,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3 can be written as 1 10,000 plus 8 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. In this question, no number is given in thousands place. So write 0 in thousands place. So the short form of 10,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3 is equal to 10,823. For completing, some questions are remaining. Do all the remaining questions as homework. Our third question is, which one of the following is the expanded form of 58,604? Some expanded forms are given. Our question is, which one is the correct expanded form of 58,604? Our number is 58,604. This number has 5 10,000s, 8 thousands, 6 hundreds, 0 tens, and 4 ones. So the expanded form of 58,604 is 58,604 is equal to 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 4. So the option B, 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 4 is the correct expanded form of 58,604. Now we are going to the next question. Our fourth question is find the correct expanded form from the following for 7,77,077. Some expanded forms of 7,77,077 are given. Our question is find out the correct expanded form of 7,77,077. Our number is 7,77,077. This number has 7 lakhs, 7 10,000s, 7 thousands, 0 hundreds, 7 tens, and 7 ones. So the expanded form of 7,77,077 is 7,77,077 is equal to 7 lakh plus 70,000 plus 7,000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 7. So the option D, 7 lakh plus 70,000 plus 7,000 plus 70 plus 7 is the correct expanded form of 7,77,077. Now we are going to the next question. Our fifth question is how many hundreds are in 3,705? Our number is 3,705. This number has 3,700s, 0 tens, and 5 ones. So 700s are in 3,705. Okay. Our sixth question is how many thousands are in 2,43,981? 2,43,981 has 2 lakhs, 4 10,000s, 3 thousands, 9 hundreds, 8 tens, and 1 ones. So 3 thousands are in 2,43,981. Our seventh question is how many hundreds are in 37,509. 37,509 has 3 ten thousands, 7 thousands, 5 hundreds, 0 tens, and 9 ones. So 5 hundreds are in 37,509. Okay. Our eighth question is, how many tens are in 695? 695 has 6 hundreds, 9 tens, and 5 ones. So 9 tens are in 695. Our last question is, how many tens are in 3,578? 3,578 has 3 thousands, 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 8 ones. So 7 tens are in 3,578. And also we completed our fifth exercise. Thank you for listening my class. Thank you.